Hi there, welcome to a drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a blue cat. So here you can see that I'm using my blue pen to draw a beautiful blue cat. I'm starting with its head. It's wearing a bow collar. Now I'm drawing its ears. Here's its long tail. Now let's complete its face. This is its eyes. And this is its tongue. Now I'm using my red pen. I'm using my black pen inside its eyes. Little bit of cyan. I'm coloring its bow with my purple pen. Now I'm using my blue pen. For the rest of its body, I'm using cyan pen. Now I'm using a little bit of orange colored pencil. I need to complete its bow collar. My drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.